It's right here, man. The orange cone.
Yo, I lit up one of our teammates by accident, bro.
I saw. I felt really bad for her.
Yeah. Hey, man, I didn't mean that. I thought that because
Shit happens.
Yeah. But she's pissed. She's fucking pissed.
She'll get the fuck over it. She'll get over it.
I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah. I'll see you in a minute. Yeah. Hey, raise our flag higher.
It's stuck on a knot. We told Shane.
Oh, okay.
On the thing that bends up top of the top of the pole, it has a knot in it.
I don't need your life story, man. How does the left look?
There's one down here on the corner.
Alright, it's just one guy.
But it's only one.
Told you I had a speed trigger.
Seems like a pulley though.
Yeah, man, it's awesome.
Yeah.
You alive?
Yeah, I'm still alive.
Suppress these guys.
Never got hit.
Watch out, dead guy!
Hey, you got enemies right down here, guys. There's one behind the far back gray wheel.
Yeah, I see him.
I'm wondering that too.
Got a guy moving up left!
Blue team, don't forget you can respawn on the other side of the field if you choose to.
Ugh.